Is there a not equal operator in Python? How would you say does not equal? Like. Is there something equivalent to equals equals that means not equal?
Use not equal. See comparison operators. For comparing object identities, you can use the keyword is and its negation is not. For example,
not equal versus equal equals equals. Are you asking about something like this? This Python basic operators chart might be helpful.
There's the not equal operator that returns true when two values differ, though be careful with the types because one not equal one. This will always return true and one equals one will always return false, since the types differ. Python is dynamically, but strongly typed, and other statically typed languages would complain about comparing different types. There's also the else clause. The is operator is the object identity operator used to check if two objects in fact are the same.
You can use both not equal or. However, note that not equal is preferred where is deprecated.
I fjorden tar seg en mare, brenner seg som skiller opp streaming.